So now come to this problem. This is problem number 2. This is second problem, and here what they are telling, they have given compressibility factor. They have given compressibility factor of a gas is 0.02005, and they have used the gas CO2. And what they are asking, find the value by using ideal gas nature and find the value by using real gas nature. So this will be evident that what is the difference means ideal gas and real gas, by what amount they differ. इनकी जो वैल्यू आएगी वो एक रिलेटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए काफ़ी है कि आइडियल गैस और रियल गैस के बीच कितने का गैप आ सकते हैं. When we are using this ideal gas, in that case Z is equal to 1. आइडियल गैस के लिए Z कितना बताया था? आइडियल गैस के लिए Z की वैल्यू है 1. So Z is equal to 1, and we have to write PV by RT. PV by RT. Put the value of P, V, R and T. P is equal to 100 atm. V is equal to, V we need to find out, divided by T is equal to 273. Volume in the liter and pressure in atm. Volume in liter and pressure in atm. So what the value of R should be there? It is 0.0821. 0.0821. And this has to be equal to 1 because Z is equal to 1. कॉम्प्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर कितनी दे रखी है आइडियल गैस के लिए? 1. तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1. So we need to find out what is the value of V, and V is equal to 273 into 0.0821 divided by 100. So the answer is and here we forget one more thing. This value should be 0.2 mole. N is equal to 0.2 mole. So this is 0.2 mole. So multiplied by 0.2. And answer is 0.0448. Answer is 0.0448 liter. This is the volume what we are getting when this is ideal condition. When this is ideal condition, क्या करा एक बार फिर से देखो. PV by nRT is equal to Z. Z की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1. क्यों लिया? Because it's a ideal gas nature. We have to solve this problem using ideal gas equation. तो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन के अंदर Z इज इक्वल टू 1 लेते हैं फॉर आइडियल गैस. P की वैल्यू गिवन है 100 atm. टेम्परेचर भी गिवन है 273. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स की जगह है 0.2 मोल. 0.2 मोल. इन्हें सॉल्व करा, आंसर आया 0.0448 लीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू यूज द सेम इक्वेशन. We have to use the same equation for real gas behavior. For real gas, and what the value they have given for the real gas? What is the value of Z for the real gas? It's 0.2. What is the value given? 0.2. So again equation is PV by nRT. PV by nRT. P is equal to 100. V we need to find out. N is equal to 0.2. 0.0821 into 273 into 273. So when we solve, we get answer 0.00898 liter. This is the long cut method. We can go for the shortcut method also. And what is the shortcut method? Z is directly proportional to V. Am I right? Z is directly proportional to V. So when Z become 1 by 5th, when Z become 1 by 5th, because initially it was 1 and now it became 0.2, we can write down Z1 by Z2 is equal to V1 by V2 by V1. V2 by V1. Z1 by Z2 is equal to V2 by V1 as Z is directly proportional to volume. It can be Z1 by V1 is equal to Z2 by V2, V1 by V2, V1 by V2. So here, what is the Z1? It is 1 by 0.2. What was the volume? Initially 0.044. Then we need to find out the value at this. So it is 0.044 into 0.2. Answer is 0.008. Answer is 0.008. What happened? Z became 1 by 5th. So volume will become 1 by 5th. Z became 1 by 5th of the initial. So volume will become 1 by 5th of the initial. Z अपने इनिशियल वैल्यू का 1 by 5th हो गया, तो वॉल्यूम भी अपने इनिशियल का 1 by 5th हो जाना है. Using van der Waals equation, calculate the constant A, calculate the constant when 2 mole of gas, confined in 4-liter flask exerting pressure of 11 liter atm at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. At a temperature of 300 Kelvin. Temperature of 300 Kelvin. The value of B is 0.05 liter per mole. Now see what we need to find out. We need to find out the constant A. We need to find out the constant A by using van der Waals equation, and the given parameters and values are given. So first we have to write P plus n square A by V square, V minus NB is equal to nRT. And by putting the relevant value, we have to find out the value of A. Let's put the given value. P is equal to 11 plus A is equal to 2 whole square into A, we don't know. Volume is 4 liter. 4 minus 2 into 0.05 is equal to 2 into, what is the T? 300. And what is the R? Because it's a liter mole and pressure in the ATM. Pressure is given in the ATM. So we have to take the value of R at 0.0821. हमें ये ज़रूर देखना है कि R की यूनिट कौन सी लेनी है. अगर यहाँ पे न्यूटन मीटर वगैरह यूनिट दे रखा होता तो हमें लेना था 8.314, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसने लीटर मोल और एटमॉस्फेयर दे रखा है, तो यहाँ पे ये वैल्यू सेट करती है. So we have to solve this part only, and after solving this part we are going to get the answer. A is equal to 6.46 atm. Liter square mole minus 2. Liter square mole minus 2. One very interesting fact is there. Almost every time A is 100 times bigger than B. What was the value of B? 0.05 multiplied by 100, you will get answer nearly 5. But what is the answer? 6.46. So it's a very interesting fact that A is more than 100 times than B. So if you know the value of B, or if the value of B is given, we can have an idea what can be the tentative range of A.